Hi guys, I'm Liana and I've been working at Sabo Skirt for 3.5 years. My roles here at Sabo Skirt are customer care. I'm also the fit model for the designs, and I also take part in helping Sarah with social media. My favourite thing about working here would have to be working with all the cuzzies. It's always so good coming into work. I actually get depressed on weekends if I don't see anyone from here. Fun fact about me is that I have travelled to over 20 countries in my life, which I'm very lucky, and my favourite places would have to be Hawaii and Greece.
What? Hi, I'm Darcy. I've been working at Sabo Skirt for 3 years now. So I'm the photographer, so I do the product shoots and campaign shoots. I work with Bess and our stylist Sarah to plan the shoots and location scout. I'm also a graphic designer, so I work with our web developer to make sure our website's nice and gorgeous. I do things like the weekly EDMs, the emails that go out. Packaging as well. Also do the prints for our clothes, so I'll hand paint them and then lay them out so that they can be printed onto the fabric. I love being able to do all the different things I love to do every day as my job. Obviously hanging out with the cousins and all the good food we eat. So a fun fact about me is that I was actually homeschooled from grade 3 and into my high school when I went part-time to school.
Hi, I'm Zoe and I've been at Sabo Skirt for 3 years now. I am the designer at Sabo, so I design everything from the clothes to our Sabo shoes, swim, just everything. And I work a lot in production as well, so I liaise with our factories and fit the samples and pick the fabrics. My favourite thing about working at Sabo Skirt is definitely the people. I love coming to work with all our cuzzies. So a fun fact about me is I'm actually a twin. We look the same, but we're the complete opposite. She's actually a lawyer.
Hi, my name's Vic. I've been working at Sabo Skirt for 5.5 years now. I'm a customer care manager, a dispatch team coordinator, and I help out with the returns and folding. I also work with our IT team to help improve our back and front end of the website. My favourite things about working at Sabo are probably getting to work with the dogs, babies, my friends and family every day. So just because I have so many birthday events in September, my friends and family have renamed it Victember. I do get peer pressured into most of the events, but I secretly love it too.
Hi, I'm Cassie and I work here at Sabo Skirt for the last 3 years. I help dispatch orders and process the returns. Favorite thing about working here at Sabo is that we get to bring our dogs to work, and there's little babies when we come here now. Fun fact is that I'm a full-time mum when I'm not working here at Sabo.
Hello, I'm Luka. Yeah, that's it.
I've been working at Sabo Skirt for nearly a year now. I'm the videographer, so I plan, film and edit all of the YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat content.
You have a rash on your chest.
Oh, it's because I'm awkward. My favourite thing about working at Sabo Skirt would definitely be I get a lot of creative freedom with what I want to plan and film, as well as everyone here at work has really big, bold, amazing personalities, and we all just have lots of fun and laugh. A fun fact about me is because I'm a videographer and I'm always behind the camera, when I'm in front of the camera I get really nervous and shy, and I've got a rash going on, so that explains that.
Hello, I'm Nish. I'm a software developer at Sabo. I've been here for about 8 months now. Favorite thing about Sabo, people and the casual culture. It's fun. Fun fact about me, like to travel. I've been here in Australia for about 5 years now, so I like to travel back home once a year.
Hi guys, I'm Rosie. I am the Assistant General Manager at Sabo Skirt. I've been working at Sabo Skirt for over 6 years now, and I do everything from invoicing to liaising with our factories and store manager, purchasing product descriptions and a few other things as well. My favorite thing about working at Sabo Skirt is everyone that works here has become a little family, and everyone knows everything about each other's lives, and we hear all these random stories that everyone comes in with, which is always fun. A fun fact about myself is that I also own a business called Brown Bear, and yeah.
Hi, my name's Sarah and I've been working at Sabo Skirt for about 1.5 years now. My main roles here are doing the social media for all of our Instagram accounts, as well as styling the shoots and flat lays and any other little creative projects we have. My favourite thing about working at Sabo is the family culture we have here. It's such a beautiful work environment to come to every day, and actually wouldn't ever want to work anywhere else. A fun fact about myself, I have a cheeky little third nipple that I've had since birth.
My name's Danny. I've worked here for 5 years. I'm the warehouse manager. Favourite thing about working here would be the girls have created like a family environment. A fun fact would be my little sister has recently moved in with us, and although she's 12 years younger than me, she's teaching me as much about life as I'm teaching her.
My name is George Kazoukas. I'm Yacht's husband, Avi. Been working here since 2011, so not as soon as it started, but very early on. I am the marketing manager slash GM, help run the business, overlook a lot of different things in the business. Why I like working at Sabo is I get to do what I love every day, get to hang out with all the awesome people in the office and get to meet lots of different people around the place. It's not really working when you enjoy what you do. Fun fact about myself, I am in the Golden Key Society, which is some random thing you get invited to at university if you do well. And I got invited to do my PhD after doing my Masters of Marketing, so yeah.
Hello, my name's Costa, dispatch officer. I've been here now for just over 6.5 years. I'm amongst all the beautiful young people. It keeps me young as well. I'm Yoda, Rosie and Vic's dad, and father-in-law of George, who's Yoda's husband, and Danny, who's Rosie's husband.
That was that.
What?
Hi, I'm Vicki. I've been working at Sabo Skirt for 2 years now. Here at Sabo Skirt, I dispatch customer orders, help process returns, fold clothes, and piss everyone off on a daily basis. Favorite thing about working here? Oh, baby Connor. Oh my god. My future husband. Yeah, that's the greatest thing ever. Fun fact, I live with El Mami. That's not fun.
Hey, my name's Sebastian. I've been working at Sabo Skirt for 10 months. My role is preparing and organising store stock and helping out around the warehouse. My favourite thing about working at Sabo Skirt is the fun environment here. Fun fact about me is I have a severe coffee addiction, 20 shots a day.
Okay, so obviously they're the bosses and they're best friends. They're brother and sister. They are husband and wife. Jorge doesn't work here, but that's his husband and also Danny's childhood best friend. So Connor is their son. Sarah and Zoe are best friends from Sydney. Bobby is Bess's dog. So Cassie is Bess and George's sister-in-law. Sunday is Danny and my dog. Liana is George and Ness's cousin, and therefore Yod's cousin-in-law. Seb and Liana are cousins, and Seb is also Bess and George's cousin. Zani is Bess and Giorgio's daughter. Danny and Rosie are husband and wife. Costa K is Yacht, mine, and Vic's dad. Nelly is George and Yacht's dog. So Zani is also Yacht's niece. Connor is Bess's nephew, and Giorgio's. We decided to all adopt each other as cousins. So let's just... So Luka and Giorgio actually worked together before she worked here, and so did Darcy. So basically it's just